In his worst slump of the year. And he's got to get out of it. He was 0 for 14 before that. He sends it to the wall, and McCutchen pulls into second base with a double. His longest slump prior to that was 0 for 11. And that breaks an 0 for 14 skid for him. And that's his 30th double.
There's no way somebody that has hands like his, so quick and with that bat speed, can go very long without getting a base hit. Just that is sheer luck. Came out of that box hard just in case there was an opportunity out there with one out so he could get to third. It was handled very cleanly in the outfield.